Welcome back, everybody. Today, this video is about walk, uh, elevator. The thing about elevator is your arms. How big is your arm and how you move it. So the thing that you need to know is like that. So and then when you're doing it, you just do the thing that taught you. And then when you get better at it, you can go so fast and you're so good. Like if you if they were running it, they go do it kind of slow, but that's how you elevator. Other things, um, you need to know all of those things. But bye, y'all. Bye.